So today my plan was to basically put everything back together on the, which side am I on? The passenger side. The axle I was trying to take apart so I could clean it out and re-grease it because I did not trust that I would be able to pack enough grease in just through the bearings. I didn't feel like it would get past the balls into the cavity of the burr field. So especially with all the differential oil that had leaked in there over the years, so it's essential that I take the axle apart, and it was super difficult. So that literally took me hours of like banging on it, trying the pipe method, brass drift, hammer, everything you could imagine. It finally broke loose and I broke my snap ring. So I'll have to get another one of those before I can put it back together. But tomorrow's plan is clean the burr field out, grease it, find a snap ring, put it back together, put it in the vehicle. And I made this beautiful cake.
All right, so I am starting to put things back together, and I'm using the Trail Gear Ultimate Rebuild Kit, and it has this upgraded urethane seal that's thicker, so you don't use the felt or the other rubber that comes in the OEM kit. And these little dudes are like twice as thick. But my concern is I'm worried that I'm going to accidentally smash this seal between the metal instead of it going in the groove where it's supposed to, because it won't stay in that groove. But what my friend Jeff said, he's the one whose tool I lost, he said don't do the normal like crisscross, little bit at a time. He said just start at one side, put all 8 of them in, and tighten one at a time in a circle, and that will like sort of walk this thing into the proper groove where it's supposed to be. So that's my plan. Another thing I wanted to point out is that on these seals there's like this little beveled edge that sticks out, and even though this is probably intuitive and everybody who's watching this is going to say, well duh, I don't want to duh my way through this. I want to make sure I'm doing everything right. And in the instructions for this, in the drawing, you can't really tell in the picture which way this lip faces, but I did confirm the curved part sticks out towards the differential to match the shape of the ball, which again seems obvious, but my other thought was if you flip it the other way and the curve pushes in, maybe it wants to push in on this seal, but no, it points out towards the differential, if anybody's wondering. Okay, so I was gonna show you, so this is the original thing, rear seal plate, and it's really thin. The kit I bought does come with that exact replacement, and it comes with the rubber seal and the felts, but it also comes with this upgraded urethane seal and these much thicker brackets. I don't know what you call these things. See, they're like way more than twice as thick. So if you're gonna use this kit, you will not use these at all. You won't use the felts, and you won't use these little skinny ones. You only use the split metal ring that contacts the back of the knuckleball. Then you put this on, then you put these on, and it comes with the longer bolts because this is thicker, so you need the longer ones. So I just wanted to show that.